Almonds are highly nutritious and are considered to be a healthy addition to a balanced diet. Here are some of the benefits of eating almonds. Rich in nutrients, almonds are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients such as vitamin E, magnesium, fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Good for heart health, almonds are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are good for heart health. They can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. May aid in weight loss. Almonds are low in carbs and high in protein and fiber, making them a filling snack that can help keep you satisfied between meals. Eating almonds as part of a healthy diet may help with weight loss. May improve brain function. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which has been shown to improve cognitive function. They also contain healthy fats and other nutrients that may help protect the brain from age-related cognitive decline. May help manage blood sugar. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Eating almonds as part of a healthy diet may help regulate blood sugar levels. Overall, almonds are a great snack to include in your diet, as they are nutritious, filling, and may offer a range of health benefits. However, it's important to remember that they are also high in calories, so it's best to eat them in moderation as part of a healthy, balanced diet.